Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2(8) plus 1 over number 2. So we apply this formula for this one, for cosine AS square and cosine BS square. So we have like this. Number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. So I will put number 4 go outside. Now we need to distribute, and that is about cosine 2AS cosine 2BS plus cosine 2AS plus cosine 2BS plus number 1. Now we have the second formula for this one. So if we apply the formula in here, that should be about 1 over 2 cosine of 2AS plus 2BS. And we have 1 over 2 cosine 2AS minus 2BS. Now we can do about factorization by s. Similar for the second one. Now the integration. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 2a plus 2b. That is about coefficient of s. And we have sine 2, s of 2a plus 2b. Similar for the second one. And the next one, we have 1 over 2(8) sine 2as. And we have 1 over 2b sine 2bs. Number 1, that is about s. And I will put about c in here. And that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.